In today's video, we are going to show you how to add your Deriv real account to MetaTrader 5 or MT5. The process is very beginner friendly, and by the end of this video, your real Deriv trading account will be fully connected and ready to trade on MT5. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, hover on the My Trading Accounts. Make sure that you are on the Real section because we are going to add a real Deriv account on MT5. All you have to do now is scroll down until you find the Add More Accounts. Now, when you navigate to the MT5 accounts area, you will see different account types such as Gold, CFDs, Financial, Zero Spread, and all I have to do now is click any of the following. Let's say MT5 Zero Spread. Now all I have to do is click the Activate Real Account. This step is very important. And then make sure you save your password somewhere safe because you will need it to log in to MT5. Now a new window will appear, and all I have to do now is you can view your account, or if you want to deposit, it's up to you. For example, we opted to deposit now. It'll be forwarded here. Just provide all the information needed. And basically that's it. Now you've successfully added your Deriv real account to MT5. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.